now 12. Okay, we will solve guys worksheet here على definite integrals.
Can you send us the worksheet, mister?
The worksheet, okay.
Yes, please send us.
On the WhatsApp, right? Okay.
Yeah?
بعته على الواتساب. Okay.
Can I answer, sir?
Okay. يلا مستر أسامة, right? يلا
Yes,
مستر.
yeah. ماشي. The antiderivative is x squared, and then we're going to evaluate it at 1 and 0.
Yeah, it's 2x squared over 2. And then if
No,
you
why?
divide this all,
Yeah, the 2 and cancels. Yeah.
the 2 and 2 cancel out. And then we have x
So it's going to
squared,
be 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1.
which is equal to 1 minus 0
Minus
equals
0.
to
1.
equals to 1.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Number 2.
Mister, now I will be away for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
So if you call my name, I won't be able to answer.
Okay.
No, thank you.
Abdulaziz Rahad, number 2.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Abdulaziz.
Yes,
From negative
first,
1 to 0, x minus 2 dx.
yes, first we find the integral of x minus 2, which is x squared over 2
X
minus
squared
2x,
over 2 minus 2x. Then you get
0 and negative 1.
from negative 1 to 0.
Yes, we substitute for 0, it will be 0 minus
This all will be 0. 0 over 2 minus 0 times 2 is 0. Minus
minus
substituting the negative
1.5, negative
minus
1.5.
1 over 2 minus 2. Negative 1.5, which is negative 3 over
Mister, shouldn't it be 2.5? Sorry, I was still here. So shouldn't be because negative will make the negative positive.
it will be half and then plus 2, yes,
2.
half plus 2. 2 and half,
This
and
is
5 over
plus
2.
2.
Okay. Okay, 5 over 2. Your answer is negative 5 over 2.
Yes.
Next question. Rami Jamal.
Yes, Mister. Okay. We'll integrate as usual. It will be t to the power of 3 over 3
E to the power of 3 over 3
minus 2x
minus 2t.
or 2t.
Okay.
Then we will replace. Okay.
It's 1 becomes negative 1/3.
Minus 2.
Yeah, when it's a negative 1, gives also 1/3, negative 1/3 minus 2, and plus 2. Yes, 1/3 minus 2 minus
Yes, I'm
negative.
calculating it. 1 second. It will be 2 over 3.
Maybe what? 2 over 3.
Yes.
Thank you. Number 4.
So can I solve next one?
Okay, yeah, Rafi.
So first of all, I spread the power. It will be 2t to the power squared, I think.
Be 4t squared.
4 squared. Minus 2 times 2 times 2, I think.
Yeah. Yes, 2t
It will
times
be
1 times 2, and 4.
4t minus t squared.
Minus t only, yes. Minus 1 also. No, minus t. Minus 1.
Oh,
Square the
sorry.
first, square the last. In the middle, multiply first by second. So minus 1 dt. Yes. Yes. Then
Plus
find the
1.
integral.
Plus 1 because negative 1 square is plus 1.
Yes, plus 1. يس رف. يلا طلع الانتجرال
4 t to the power 3 over 3
4t to the power of 3 over 3
minus minus 40 4 t to the power squared, sorry, to the power squared over 2 plus 1
plus
plus 3, sorry.
Okay, and then evaluate this twice. يكون
t
في 0 as a lower limit of the integration. We integrate substitute 1 only for t.
so 4 to the power 3 over 3 as it is.
Yeah, 4 over 3
Minus 4
over 2
over 2 plus t.
plus 1 when you are substituting 0. قصدي 1 for هذا substituting what?
1
and substituting 1 for what? For t.
for t.
So it's 1 now. And then
Wait, let me calculate them.
4 over 3 minus 4 over 2.
It will be 1 over 3.
1 over 3. Okay, thank you. Next question.
Can I answer it?
Okay, Khaled.
هي 3x لو integrate 3x power minus 2
3x to the power of negative 2 and then minus
minus 1
1
then we integrate
dx and then integrate. Yes.
3x power minus 1 over minus 1
Over minus 1, which is negative 3 here. Yes.
yes minus x
Okay.
then we substitute the 2
Yes.
minus 3 over 2 minus 2
Minus 3 and x when it's 2 and the
اللي
power
هي
negative
مستر
1
minus
is
5
3
over
over 2.
minus
minus 2
Minus 2
minus
اللي هي 9 over 2 negative 9 over 2
3 يا أخي
wait this what
minus 3 minus 1 plus 1
y
لا
plus
لا
1
minus 1 minus 1
minus
minus 1
1 okay
minus 4 يعني minus 4 وهذه
negative 1 and a half negative 2 negative 3 and a half 3 and a half minus 4
plus 4
طلع كام كله؟ negative 7 and a half plus 4 يبقى not negative yes here's negative here's negative what 3.5 plus 4 okay so the answer is what
negative half
positive next question Hisham number 6
Yes, James.
t power third minus 2 that's integral
Okay, so 1 over 3 will add 1, so it will be t exponent 4 over 3
yes
over 4 over 3 exponent 4 over 3 over 4 over 3. Okay, minus 2t.
yes
Then we'll substitute with 1. So
3 over 4 صارت صح؟
3 over 4
times 1 power 3 power 4 over 3
1 اللي هي 1 يعني 3 over 4 minus 2 times 1 2 معش 2 yes 2 minus 2
then minus
negative 3 over 4 minus negative 3 over 4 plus 2
negative 1 power 4 over 3 is negative 1 the cubic root of negative 1 is negative 1 to the power of 4. Yes, it's positive.
Positive 1?
Positive 1 times 3 over 4 is positive 3 over 4.
Okay.
Yes.
Plus 2?
Plus 2.
So 3 over 4 minus. Negative 4.
All?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, take a screenshot here. Next question. Yes, next question. Tahir. Yes, Tahir.
Yes, mister.
Yes. We zoom. Not able to hide. Okay, Tahir. We have here the integral from negative 1 to 0. Let's write the question again. مش واضح شوية. Integral from negative 1 to 0 of t to the power of 1/3 minus t to the power of 2/3 dt.
Yeah, mister. What are we supposed to do here?
Integrate.
Oh, integrate.
Evaluate. Find the value of t power third. Add 1 to the exponent and divide by the exponent. Okay.
Okay, ماشي. Yeah, هتبقى mister t to the power 4 over 3.
Over 4 over 3.
أيوة, 4 over 3.
As 3 over 4. But then over 4 over 3 is the same as multiplied by over.
Yeah, هتبقى minus 3 over 5. Minus 3 over 5 t to the power 5 over 3.
Yes. Here is what? 5
5 over 3,
and
yes.
here it's what? 3 over 5. And it's minus here. Yes. Evaluate this all from negative 1 to 0. 0 first gives
1.
y.
لا, sorry, 0.
Gives 0. طيب, minus, substituting the negative 1 here. I'll plug in negative 1 for t.
Wait for a second, please, mister.
This gets positive, right?
Yes, mister, it gets positive.
Yeah. And here gives a negative.
So, mister, احنا نحط okay, ماشي.
t negative 1, but in the first one, t power 4 over 3, it's positive 1, times 3 over 4 is positive 3 over 4.
3 over 4.
Minus t to the power of 5 over 3, and substitute in negative 1 for t, power 5 over 3, it's what? Negative 1. Times,
Negative 1.
Times negative 3 over 5 is positive 3 over
3 over 5, أيوة.
over 5. The final answer would be
اوكي, خليني بس اعملها دلوقتي. 5 plus صح يا مستر؟
yes.
Yeah, 27 over 20.
37.
مستر صح, it's negative 3 over 20.
37 over 20.
ايوه. 37 يا مستر, 37 ولا 27؟ 27
over what?
30.
20 over 20.
ايوه, over 20.
Okay, simplify. leave it كده وخلاص, بس تبقى بالنيجاتيف لان في نيجاتيف outside. تمام؟
Yes.
غير answer. Number 8. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Omar Hassan. Integral from negative 1 to 4 of 2x minus 4 dx. Absolute value.
So, did you pick someone to solve?
What?
Did you pick anyone to solve this question?
No.
I solve it.
أنت كنت في إيه؟ Yeah, I asked Omar Hassan to try it. So this question
Okay,
is number 8, the integral from -1 to 4, the absolute value of 2x minus 4 dx. Yes, Omar. Omar Hassan. فليتفضل. Okay, Osama, يلا. Yes, the question again.
So, Mr. First of all, we have to find the turning point, which is 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, which is going to be at x equal to 2. Then
Yes.
we're going to split them up into two integrals.
Wait, one by one,
Yeah.
step by step. 2x minus 4, you said we're gonna find the turning points.
Yeah, so x is equal to 2.
Points where the function is not functional. So take 2x equals 4 and x is what now? Is 2.
2.
Yani add 2. So we
Yes.
can what?
Mr. We can put the function now negative 2x minus 4 is for less than 2.
Negative
And 2x minus 4.
Minus 4 for x less than 2.
No, Mr. 2x negative 2x plus 4 isn't.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
And
2x minus 4 for x greater than 2. Now we can split them up into two integrals, Mr.
Right.
We can integrate negative from negative 1 to 2 at negative 2x plus 4.
Sure, بناخد البرانش اللي هو between negative 1 and 2 أو till 2
Yeah.
اللي هو to the left of the 2 يعني ناخد النيجاتيف possibility negative x برافو plus 4
2x plus 4 and then plus the integral
and then plus the integral. This is a special case, guys, for the absolute value functions. And now from 2 to
4
to 4, right? Should be
of
like
2x minus 4
of 2x minus 4 dx.
Yes.
Yes.
And then Mr. If we can that's gonna be Mr. So that's negative 2. Okay, so we can put the negative outside.
Negative x squared. Okay.
Yeah, negative x squared, Mr. Yeah, plus 4x at negative 1 and 2.
Yeah, and the second part.
So, yeah, and the second part is x squared minus 4x at 2 and 4.
2, 4, and substitute.
Yes, okay. Yeah, so it's gonna be, so that's 8. Oh, sorry, that's 4. 4 minus.
Plus 8, it's 4.
Yeah, it's 4 minus.
Negative 8.
So that's 1 minus 4, minus 5. No, plus 5, sorry, plus 5, plus 5. And minus 5.
So minus 5, right?
Okay. Yeah, plus.
Plus
4 minus 8, negative 4.
We have 16 minus 16, 0, right?
Oh, sorry, yes, my bad. Yes, first of all, 16, yes, 0.
Gives a 0.
Yeah, and then negative 4.
Here, 4 minus 8, which is negative 4.
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
So, Mr.
Negative, positive 4.
Well,
because 0 minus 4.
صح. Yes, my bad. صح. So it's gonna be Mr. 9 plus 4, which is 13.
9 plus 4, which is
13. Yes, that's it.
Excellent. So here, guys, again, in this question, pay attention. We have absolute value of a function. You should really find this function at the turning points. The graph of 2x minus 4, it's a V-shaped, and the sharp point will be at 2 or at x equal 2. You have to redefine the function again. You have to write in the negative times all 2x minus 4 out all negative 2x plus 4 for all x less than 2, and 2x minus 4 for all x values greater than 2. And you should split your integral into two parts. The first part from negative 1 to the turning point 2, and then from 2 to 4, and then evaluate each one separately. Any question? Any question?
No, mister. Thank you very much, والله.
شكلك بتعمل حاجة يا عبد الرحمن مش فاضي.
لا يا مستر والله موجود بس بشرب نسكافيه ونعسان. طب مستر let me answer one question.
يلا نمبر 9.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Huh? Number 9. 1 plus sine x dx, the integral of from 0 to pi of 1 plus sine x dx. 1 plus sine x dx. What's the integral of 1, Mr.? The integral
X,
from 0
Mister.
to
The
pi,
integral of 1 is
1 plus
x.
sine x dx. The integral of 1 is x.
X. Yes.
Plus the integral of of sine is
Cosine.
negative
cosine. Yes.
negative cosine x. Okay. From 0 to pi. Equal to. Yes.
طيب بنعوض أول حاجة بالباي. مستر احنا لما أعوض الباي بدلها 180 صح كده؟
Substitute first pi, so it's pi minus what? Cosine pi. Minus, substitute 0 gives what? 0 minus cosine 0. 0 minus cosine 0. Easy, right? Substitute. هطلع لك باي معايا minus cosine باي cosine 180 كم يا عبد الرحمن؟ cosine 180.
كوساين ال 100 شفته هلا كوساين نيجاتيف 1.
يس.
يعني الرقم هذا بيكون 181 ممكن تقول.
كوساين 0.
طيب كوساينز ثواني كده
1.
كوساين 0 1.
اوكي
طيب 181 يعني باي الإجابة باي.
Why? It's here pi plus 1 and then here's it pi plus 1 plus 1.
لا
here
صح مظبوط باي مظبوط.
So gives pi plus 2. Leave your answer pi plus 2. Okay. اوكي عمر عصام برضه لسه. طيب زياد. Yes, Mr. Ziad. This question, we have the integral from negative pi over 6 till pi over 6 for this function. Okay. ليه صايم؟ مش تفتح المايك. secant squared x dx. مخصمنا يعني؟ طيب. يلا زياد. Are you here, Mr. زياد? Okay, طيب. مجد. What is the derivative of tan secant squared? That's why the antiderivative of secant squared is here tan and from negative pi over 6 to pi over 6. Again, the derivative of tan is secant squared. That's why the antiderivative the integral of secant squared x is tan x. And then we evaluate first tan pi over 6 minus 10 negative pi over 6. 10 is odd function, so we can write your answer as 10 pi over 6 because it's odd function. So 10 negative pi over 6 is equal to what, guys? Is it equal negative 10 6? Negative 10 pi over 6, yes. So negative becomes positive 10 pi over 6. So 10 pi over 6 is 10 30. 10 30, I think 1 over radical 3. Or radical 3 over 3 plus radical 3 over 3. So we have 2 over radical 3. Now 2 radical 3 over 3. I would like to check this answer. What's the what is 10 30? What is 10 30? It's our calculator. Is it radical 3 over 3 or not? The next question, we have the integral from negative pi over 3 to pi over 3 of 4 cosec 10. طيب Mr. ال 4 is constant, we can write it outside, and sec 10, sec theta, tan theta, d theta. What's the derivative of sec 10? What's the derivative of sec? It's sec 10. So the integral, the antiderivative of sec 10 is 6. So you have now 4 sec theta and now substitute here from negative pi over 3 to pi over 3, which is equal to 4 sec pi over 3 minus 4 sec negative pi over 3. Because we know that sec and cosine are even function, so we can cancel this negative, يصير positive. Okay, because sec is even function type. Let's complete by evaluation in the calculator and then find the exact answer. Find the exact answer. Any question? Is it clear till now, guys? Number 12, you have the worksheet on the WhatsApp. You can maximize this question and see it well. What's the exact area of the region between y equal what? Y equal x? Yes, what's the exact area of the region between y equal x minus, let me write it again, y equals, here is the two functions, y equals x minus x squared and the x-axis and the x-axis. What is the exact area of the region between y equals x minus x squared and the x-axis over the interval 0 to 1? Yes. To find it here, if we sketch a quick graph, guys, of this function x minus x squared. Yes.
This is just an integral, صح? You just have to integrate x minus x squared لأنه it's with the x-axis.
حلو، بقول لك with the x-axis and the x-axis. I will stop sharing and I will open Dismas. I will graph this function واشوف هي عامله ازاي مع الاكس axis.
ماشي.
Okay. Weak. Yes. Let me open Dismas. Graphing calculator. Dismas graphing calculator. X minus x squared. Yes, it's here x minus, here is x, بعدين minus x squared. X to the power of 2, where to the power of 2. This is the function معانا الآن, which is يبقى this part only. Do you see guys? ومحتاجة مع الاكس ايه؟ axis بس, يعني محتاج البارت ده. From 0 to 1. محتاج هنا to look like this one. Okay. طيب. Okay, so your graph will be like this. يعني محتاج البارت بس اللي تحت الكيرف مع الاكس axis. Yes, this part. So يلا, definite integral from 0 to 1 of x minus x squared, x minus x squared dx equal, which is x squared, yes, over 2. عمر أبو زهرة معنا minus x cubed over,
yes, Mr.
over 3, and then evaluate this all 0 to 1. لما يكون في 0 تحت كنسل, كبر دماغك منه, طلع بس 1 half minus 1/3 by substituting 1 only for x. Yes, 1 half minus 1/3 is equal to, yes, 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6, which is 1 over 6. Okay? So your area under this curve, x minus x squared, and the x-axis is 1 over 6. This is the exact area اللي بيسأل عنها.
مستر
Yes.
مستر بس الكويشن مش واضح. واي كاتب واي اكس اكس مش
It is the two
كاتب.
functions. كتبتهم تاني. y equal x minus x squared. هنا مش واضح. بس هنا
طيب.
واضح. x minus x squared وبعدت أنا على الواتساب.
طب مستر معلش بس كويشن 11
Yes,
ماينس ليش ماينس 4 سك باي اوفر 3 مش المفروض ماينس 4 سك ماينس
minus
باي
4
اوفر
sec negative pi over 3, بس أنا قلت لأن السك even function هي والكوساين, فبتتحول السك negative pi over 3 بتتحول لبوزيتيف sec pi over 3. اوكي, لأن السك even function فأي نيجاتيف جوه بيبقى بوزيتيف.
اوكي.
Okay, next page. Next page, what's the exact area between y equal, أنا write here the y equal cosine x and the x-axis and the x what? The x-axis. You know, all guys, on the closed interval 0 and pi over 2. Okay. Pi over 2. Yes, we can solve. So if we graph also here, we convert مثلا للديسموس graphing calculator. Okay, let me guys write here what? Cosine x, you know, a graph of cosine x. محتاجها من 0 لحد pi over 2. Right? Here is it. Pi over 2 يعني this area here. المنطقة دي من 0 لحد pi over 2. من 0 till pi over 2 and the x-axis يعني the area bounded between them. طيب. So we will find directly here. We can complete guys and find the integral of the result. What's the integral? خلاص عرفنا من 0 لحد pi over 2 of cosine x and the x-axis dx. Yeah. What's the integral or antiderivative of cosine? Yes. Hey, it's what? Sine, Mr. Abdrazak. And then substitute from 0 to pi over 2. So it's a sine pi over 2 minus sine 0. هنا أعمل substitute بالزيرو. عشان you know sine 0 maybe has a value. Sine 0 which is 0. But sometimes مثلا it's cosine 0 so it's 1. بتفرق في evaluation calculation. Sine pi over 2 so it's 1. So your answer is 1. And the next questions 14 to 19, suppose that f and g are continuous functions with the blue given information, then use the properties of definite integrals to evaluate each expression. Number 14. In number 14, what do you have here? Given that from 1 to 2 of f of x dx is negative 4, from 1 to 5, 6, from 1 to 5 for g of x equals 8. Then the question in number 14, from 2 to 2 g of x dx, this is the properties we said yesterday. From 1 to 1, from a to a, from نفس البوزيشن نفس المكان أكيد بكم؟ بزيرو. Number 15, from 5 to 1, it's given من 1 to 5 for f of x. طب هنا أعطاها لي number 15 5 to 1. 5 to 1 يعني غير البوزيشن.
negative 6.
Negative 6. The answer equals negative 6. Now, number 16. Yes, number 16. You have from 1 to 2, 3f of x. Go up here. It's given from 1 to 2, f of x only is negative 4. So you just multiply the 3 by negative 4. That's it. Okay? Just multiply here. This 3 constant. I leave it 3. And the value of the integral from 1 to 2 of x dx is negative 4. So your answer is negative 12. Okay. Number 17 and 18. Based on the given information, what is the value of the integral from 2 to 5 of f x dx? Yes. Yes. In 2 to 5, it's given from 1 to 5. From 2 to 5, f of x. We have from 1 to 2. And we have from 1 to 5. This is for g of x. How to find from 2 to 5? We have from 1 to 5. We will make what? We know, guys. You know the Mr. Ndal. We will make here من 2 to 5 يعني تخيل كده ادي ايه؟ It's given من 1 to 5 و given from 2 to 5 قصدي given from 1 to 5 ومن 1 to 2 given from 1 to 2 is negative 4 given from 2 from 1 to 5 all is 6 So how to find from 2 to 5 this part? You just what? Subtract. So it's a negative 6 minus 4, which is what?
لا. Mister, shouldn't we flip the first one? So we're going to put it's gonna be -4, it's gonna be +4. So should it be 6 minus 4?
Why? Why flip the first one?
عشان when
From
we
1
add
to
them
2?
it can.
From 2 to 5.
طيب بس look at the integrals, Mister.
Yes. The
الانتجرالز
integrals. ايوه فهمتك. يعني
أيوة.
من 1 to 2.
بالضبط.
1 to 2
So
it's
they
what?
cancel. عشان ال 1 will want to cancel. So we're gonna flip it, it's gonna become negative. So 6 minus 4.
From 1 to 2 of the function here, dx, and then from what? 2 to what? To 5. F of x dx. Okay?
But now it becomes 1 to 5 مش 2 to 5. هو بدي 2 to 5.
Yes, من 2 to 5.
Yes. So we're going to take اللي فوق اللي هي بنقلب الأول وحدة we add it to
Positive.
1.
So it's 2.
Yes, exactly.
It's 2. So here it's 2. And this one minus MS, it's 2.
Yeah.
6 minus 4. Yeah, okay, it's finished. We still have only 18 والpage اللي بعدها. Okay. Thank you.
It's only one period today.
No, we have 2.
Okay, تمام مستر. يلا مع السلامة.
يلا سلام عليكم.